How to recover Snapchat lost streak. In order to recover a Snapchat streak, first you want to check the chat for a restore button. What you need is open your Snapchat app onto your device, log into your account. As logged in, you then need to go to the chat section from the bottom. Here you want to locate the streak where it says a restore button. So you will be able to find these restore button somewhere here. All you need is just press the restore button. As you press the restore button, then you could go ahead, and this only appears shortly after the streak ends. So you just want to select restore and follow the prompt to get it back by taking a picture and sending a snap quickly as possible. Once you do that, this is going to help you out recover Snapchat lost streak. So this way you're supposed to recover your Snapchat streak, but you'll not be able to do it unless you'll not be able to do it or recover your streak if you see something like this. So that's how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.